Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Shark EX150UK carpet cleaner. What I want to do today, first of all get it unboxed, then I'm going to show you some of the features and benefits that it offers. So first of all we just need to get it unboxed. So, got a clip, that's normally for one of the tools. And I must say, I always like to unbox the Shark products because a lot of the packaging is recyclable. So we've got a brush attachment. On the top here. So we've got some of the solution. That's always a good sign. It's always nice when a manufacturer is willing to put some of the solution into one of their carpet cleaners. So I think what I'm going to need to do is to just put this on the floor a minute. There we are, so that's the main body of the vacuum out, and there's not a lot else to unbox, but there we are. So we've got the hose there, and the last part to get unpackaged is this, which is a little bit like Christmas. It's got the main handle. As I just mentioned, that a lot of the packaging here, well pretty much all the packaging, is actually recyclable. So whether it's the brown paper bags that a lot of the tools and accessories have arrived in, or some of the packaging itself, just the brown cardboard, a lot of this is recyclable. So that's always a good sign, and I must say well done Shark, because not a lot of other manufacturers have followed suit with that kind of recyclable packaging. Now we've got everything unboxed, packaging put to one side, we can start to look at the cleaner itself. So as far as putting it together, should be quite easy. Just got a little bit of tape on the side there. So just pop that to one side. So we've just got the handle, that's clearly separate in the box. All we need to do with that is just pop that in the top. That's all done. And as far as the hose, so with this, let's just unravel it a little bit. So that just goes into the back of the vacuum, so just at the bottom there, and you will see that you've got a little connection at the bottom, and just make sure you pop that in there, and that just clips in like that. And then this will almost do a full circle, so it just clips in at the top here, and you locate it around there, and hopefully I've done this right. And in theory, that just clips in the side like that. So lovely design. I really like that actually. Then the mains cable with this is 7.6 meters long, so it's really good length to clean the carpets with. What you can do once you've unwrapped it all, then you can just locate it around here as well. But for now, I'm just going to pop it there. When it comes to start using the cleaner, couldn't be easier. First of all, you've got two tanks. So you've got the clean water tank, you've got the dirty water tank at the bottom. With a clean water tank, this has a capacity of up to 2.3 litres, so there's plenty of water and concentrate that you can get in there. And to do this, all you would need to do is just lift the handle and then go and take it over to a sink. Now it did give you a couple of recommendations on here, so it's just telling us on here, do not use water hotter than 60 degrees centigrade or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Clearly you don't need it to be too hot, but what you want to do is just to undo the lid, pop some water in there, and then you've also got the concentrate on there as well. And as I mentioned earlier, this is one of the solutions that it comes with. So this is one that Shark Carpet Expert, they call it the Deep Clean Pro. So this arrives with it, but you can get others from the Shark website. And I'll just provide a couple of links below, show you where to get some competitive prices if you're looking at buying other solutions. But basically all you would do is you will put a small amount at the top there, on top of the water, and then just give it a quick mix up. And then when you're ready to go, just pop that on there. And as far as the dirty water tank, clearly at the bottom here, this actually looks bigger, but there is actually a maximum fill line at the bottom here. The maximum capacity you can get in here of the dirty water is only 850 millilitres. So although the tank looks bigger, because of the maximum fill line, then that's really the amount that you would have in there before you need to empty it. And when it comes to emptying, again, it's nice and easy. Just take the handle off like that, and then you've got two sections in the top there. just go and empty that. This is all washable, so what I would recommend, when you finish using the cleaner, just give it a quick rinse under, I suppose, hot water. Doesn't need to be soapy or anything, just give it a quick rinse out, make sure it's completely dry, and then once it's dry, then you can put it back on the cleaner. Shark claim that the Carpet Expert delivers an 8 times deeper clean than a regular vacuum. I'm not quite sure how they prove that compared to a normal vacuum cleaner, but clearly they have done. And that's thanks to the high pressure spray that penetrates deep into the carpet fibres and evenly distributes the Shark's carpet cleaner solution without oversoaking the carpets. I suppose the main thing with many carpet cleaners, it can get the carpets too wet and it just takes ages to dry. I've found that many times. Also you'll find the brush roller at the bottom, so you've actually got 6 rows of brushes here. And I suppose the main advantage is that, I'll just try and show you this from underneath. So you've got 6 rows of bristles, and I suppose the advantage of having it like this is that there's never a point that there's no contact with the carpet and the brush itself. So, and again, that can really help with getting the carpets nice and clean. You will find that the bristles on here are really long, which is really good for getting deep into deep piled carpets. Also, as well as cleaning the carpet, you've actually got something that's called a spot and stain remover, and that's part of the hose assembly that I showed you earlier. Now, depending on, I suppose, on what you wanted to clean, if it's just a really small area, then you can just use this nozzle itself, and you've got a cheeky little brush hiding under there. What you've also got is the other attachment that I showed you earlier. So you've got this attachment that you can just clip on. I'll just show you that in a moment. You just clip that on top. This is actually a double action brush, so depending on which side you wanted, so you've got this side which are like rubber bristles. That's quite good actually, I like that. So you can either turn it from that side, and if you want to use the other side, then you've got bristles on that side. So really depending, I suppose, what you wanted to try and clean, you'll find different surfaces, so it could be a different type of material, could be better with one or the other. And as I say, all you need to do is unclip it, turn it around and pop it on the other way. That's a really good idea, and I'm glad that manufacturers are doing things like this, because what it means is that, I mean, Shark, for example, here have got 2 tools into one, and in theory what they've done is they've actually added that, so in theory we've almost got 3 tools in one, because what we can do is we can just clip that on top there, like that. And to switch between you cleaning the carpet, for example, and using the hand tool, then it's just the sleeve at the back. And as it says here, so up is deep cleaning with the brush roll, and then down is stain cleaning with the hand tool. So all you do is just push that down, and then you can start using the hand tools. So it's really simple. So just on top of the cleaner, this is where you would store the tool. So if you didn't want to use it, then for storage purposes, that's where you would keep it. Now you've got the on and off button just around the side here. Just rotate the cleaner a little bit, and you've also got the mode select. So you've got different modes that you can use. So if you wanted to, I suppose, clean a carpet, then that's the main section that you would use. You've also got dry only mode, and as it says here, for faster drying times, use dry only mode after the deep clean mode. And as I said earlier, this cleaner is actually really good at not getting the carpet too wet, because the last thing you want to do is to, I suppose, vacuum the carpet, then clean it using the cleaner, and then find you got to wait hours and hours for it to dry, because that's always frustrating. But you've got different LED lights on the top here, so it will actually show you what it's doing. So it shows you when it's in deep clean mode or dry only mode, and also you've got some other LED indicators on the top here. Also, if you wanted, you have got a QR code to show you some how-to videos that Shark have made themselves. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these models, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on the Shark EX150UK carpet cleaner. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. I always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. Now, I know some of you probably want to see a demonstration of it, but at the moment I've just got this for our display, so it's not really a demo product. But if you've got any questions on it, then as I say, I've got it on display. Hopefully I can answer the question for you. Also, if you have got one of these, if you have got a Shark carpet cleaner, then let me know what you think about it, because I do always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.